Hi, I'm Nora, the Education Manager for the Delaware Center for Horticulture. Today I'd like to talk to you about saving seeds. This is a Nicotiana, and it's got some lovely seed pods here that I'd like to save for next spring. When you're saving seeds, you want to do a little bit of research about the individual type of seed you're saving. Some have special requirements, like tomatoes. Some of them you have to be careful if they have cross-pollinated with something else in your garden or your neighbor's garden. So you might need to take some care about isolating flowers before you try to save the seeds from them. With this, I'm not too concerned. The basic rule for this is you wait until the seeds dry on the plant. We've had a pretty wet season, so after I harvest these seeds, I am going to dry them out on a plate or a paper towel or something like that, just to make sure that there's no residual moisture in the seed. And then I'm going to package these so I can put them in a plastic baggie. A small envelope like this would work as well. Make sure you label them. You will not remember what they are, and you want to know when you picked them and what they are. So with this, I would label it Nicotiana, September 2020. That way, if the seeds last for more than a year, I know maybe I need to plant more because my germination rates are a little bit lower. And then you're going to store these in a cool, dry place. Somewhere like a refrigerator, if you can put it into an airproof container, would work well. But as long as it's cool and dry, you don't want to store these in your shed or your garage that gets really hot in the summer, because that will decrease the germination rate of your plants. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks for watching.